Welcome to Deante. For more than 30 years, we have been designing, manufacturing and distributing bathroom and kitchen equipment. Deante is a Polish company with over 30 million products sold and satisfied customers all over the world. Deante's heart beats in Zgierz, Poland. The company's headquarters comprises a modern office building, warehouse and logistics hub, research and development center, and showroom. Deante is people. The company's asset is not only their professionalism, but also cooperation, positive energy, and attitude. Our goal is to meet the needs of customers by delivering the highest quality products conforming with contemporary design trends. Deante Design Studio are Polish designers whose projects have been awarded in numerous design competitions. An important role in the process of creating products is played by the R&D department. Here, we test components and prototypes in terms of composition, durability, resistance to external factors, but also functionality and ease of installation. Thanks to our own factories, we have full control over the production process. We use technologically advanced industrial robots and machines. In Tomaszów Mazowiecki, we manufacture granite sinks and steel products such as shower heads, linear drains, and bathroom accessories. The faucet and shower factory makes kitchen and bathroom taps and shower columns, all in compliance with strict norms and procedures. Deante is triple quality control. After verification in the factory, the products are checked in the quality control department and specific elements are tested in the Deante lab. A positive score at each stage of the evaluation process allows the products to be sent out to customers worldwide. We are a socially responsible company. Within our pro-eco philosophy, we create products that reduce water consumption, thus caring for the environment. Our packaging standard uses environmentally friendly materials and limits plastic and its derivatives in package filling elements. Deante is constantly developing and expanding its offer. Customers receive products that are reliable and fitted to their needs. We care about keeping their satisfaction at the highest level. We listen to our partners and their suggestions. You will meet us at Design and Interior First and in kitchen and bathroom showrooms. We are also present in modern communication channels. Welcome to the place where the product meets expectations. Welcome to Deante.